A helpless dog was trapped in the middle of a raging river, shivering, scared, and barely holding on. The current was strong. One wrong step, and the poor dog could be swept away forever. Then, a young, brave man stepped forward. He carefully waded through the dangerous floodwaters, every step a risk, until he finally reached the trembling dog. True bravery is when someone chooses compassion over safety, stepping into danger just to give another soul a chance to live. But he couldn't lift the dog alone, so the people watching rushed to help. Together, they pulled the dog to safety.